Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know how this video is gonna go necessarily, but I'm gonna attempt to organize my Bath and Body Works and body care and just anything that I have multiples of. I'm gonna try to organize it a little bit better to when I should be using it. I feel like I have a lot of stuff. Which is all right behind me. Yes, I do have a lot of stuff. But I feel like I have so much that I can't organize it. Well, I feel like it's just not organized the way I would like. And so I feel like it's hard for me to pick out things and use because they get pushed to the back or whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna try to organize things a little bit more by season and then maybe even months to pull things so that I can continue to rotate and use things at the appropriate times and etc. So I don't know how this is going to go or how much I'm gonna be able to share with you, but I'm gonna try my best. So I'm going to start by just literally going through everything. And then I'm gonna try to organize it by season first. And so maybe I'll check in there. And then once I have it by season, I'm gonna maybe try to break it down by month. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but I'm gonna try my best. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So here is where I'm starting off. This is my use it up bin. This is literally everything I just pulled out. A lot of it down here is newer stuff. Those are all of my body lotions in that bin. This is all hand soap and wallflowers. So yeah, we're just gonna go from here and see what happens. Okay, so yeah, on the floor I labeled little things like spring, summer. Oh, also I have this bin over here. Fall, winter, universal, and then a thing for use it up. And then that little pink one back there is if I think I find anything that I want to not have anymore, want to get rid of. So yeah, this is my starting point. Don't mind my outfit. A somewhat sorted collection. Also, my air is on, so that is the noise. Okay, just a brief overview for you guys before I dive in some more. This is a category I added quick. It just says night. So this is products I'm thinking I'll probably use at nighttime, before I go to bed. Honestly, there's a couple others that I could throw in here, but they're in different spots. This is just a rough organization right now. This one I use for laundry purposes, so it's just over here because it has a very specific purpose, and I didn't want to make a label. So our rough movements here, I have 2 perfumes at the top. I'm also watching Sarah Rose on YouTube. Those are backups. These 2 at the top are just things I'm gonna move more to my perfume category as opposed to body care. This is the spring section. This is the summer. These 2 are in between, so that's why they're sideways. And then we have a fall and winter. Obviously, these are the 2 smallest because they're fall's about to start, winter has obviously passed. This one I have just sideways because it's I'm trying to figure out where to put it in. This is the universal pile, and then this is my use it up pile, which is pretty much stuff that I've already shown in my project pan, so I'm not really too worried about that. So yeah, there it is so far. I'll check in my next sorting. I have this big circle of everything, obviously, all around me. So I think I'm gonna start with the August pile, just to kind of show you, because like that's this month, you know? So here is the August pile. So I considered this the last summer month. I didn't exactly know how to do this, but that's just kind of how it worked out. And then here is my little fall collection. So fall is obviously the smallest, just because I don't have a ton of fall stuff. So this is the September pile. I figured I could move around the 3 body care things as much as I wanted, just because, like, depending what I get for new stuff. And then this is the October pile, not this Dove Deep Moisture, that doesn't count. And then this is the November pile, just these 3 little things here. Obviously, I'll probably acquire more stuff by then. So like November is just lacking for now. This is my use it up pile. So this is current use it up stuff, including those 2 candles in the back. Here is the December pile with the 'Tis the Season and the winter candy apples and the snowflakes and cashmeres. January is all the vanilla bean Noels, and then this, the candle vanilla bean Noel, and these items are February. This candle is not from last year. These scent notes on this candle smells freaking amazing. Vanilla bean marshmallow fluff vanilla cake. Why did they wreck it? This body care says fresh vanilla bean, sugar cookies, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. What are these? Why? It should smell like this. Like, these should be the notes on this, because this candle is so good. Just saying, Bath & Body Works, can somebody fix that? Okay, so for March, I got a little bit of like the peachy scent going on, and then of course the rose water and ivy. For April, a little bit more spring stuff. And then May is just this little pile over here. I'm sure some months I'll have stuff carrying over and, you know, whatever. This I'm going to plan to use all spring, because that's what I want to do. Again, this is my nighttime stuff. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of this cactus blossom spray. It's just like so strong. Like, it's too strong for me almost. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. If somebody like, I consider putting it on Poshmark, but should I just try to like use it up in a miscellaneous way? I don't know. So yeah. This is my June pile. This is my July pile. And then yeah, back to August. So I really don't know how I'm gonna store all this stuff. Again, yeah, those are my backups back there. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna figure it out. I kind of thought about what the heck I was gonna do to organize this stuff. So I think I'm gonna load everything. I already have like a spreadsheet of like my tracker of how I keep track of everything that I have. I think I'm gonna just load into that, like what category I put everything into, and then kind of store it. Excuse me. I'm gonna kind of store it the way I like normally would, but then at least in my spreadsheet I'll be able to see like what I had for everything. And then I'm gonna probably store it, like I keep a lot of stuff in this gray bin over here, and then I keep a lot of lotions like in another spot. So I'm probably just gonna put it in like order of how it goes, so that it's not just like stuff jumbled everywhere. And then like I have specific spots for my candles and stuff. So I'm probably gonna do it that way just to keep it organized. In case I'm not able to show you in the end, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this helped you potentially organize your own stuff, or if you just wanted to be like a little bit nosy and see into my collection, I totally welcome it. Here it all is. Yeah, and then there's obviously the stuff behind me. And then I picked up one little section of my project Use It Up, which will be going up shortly. Just an update to that. So yeah, here is everything, and that's what I'm doing. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.